Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox some goodies from the people over at Paintsomeway. So a big thank you to them for sending the items to me. I've got a couple of tools and then some items. So I'm going to start with the tools. And the first one is this lovely little knife. Now, I know a lot of people like to use a knife to section off their canvases. You know, you basically put washi tape to make the sections, and then you use your little knife here, craft knife, to just cut through the canvases. And I don't have one, so I thought I would try one out. I'm not a huge fan of the cutting them into sections like that, but I thought I would try it. And they have different colors. I got the blue one, and this is $1.99. So there's that for one of the items. And then the other thing that I got is another pen, because you guys know you can never have too many diamond painting pens. And I'm having so much fun with some of these new ones and the way that they look. So you get the pen and a bunch of tips. So you get the straightener, you get the single placer tip, of course. You get an angled tip if you like those. You get a 3-placer. I'm going to guess that's the 6-placer. And then probably a 9-placer. So you get all of those tips, plus the pen itself, which they have some new designs. So I was really stoked to see that, because I really like these with the resin, and then it has like these really pretty yellow and blue flowers in it. So, and of course I would replace the tips, the plastic tips, with metal or stainless tips, but it's all good. And this particular pen was $6.99. So have those, and then I'm going to save the canvas for last. And then I've got these little things right here. So let me cut this open so we can look at them. And let's see, we get little directions here on how to do it. We get our kit, standard boat plate of wax pink pen. We've got our drills. You can see this is a special drill item. And you guys, look, they're little stickers that you can hang up, like with just attached to your walls, but they have like little hooks. So you can use them for keys or hats or towels, or I don't know how big of a towel, because I don't know how much it would hold, but I just thought they were really cute, these cute little owls. And there's 3 in each. So there's this light brown, a darker brown, and a pink, and then you get blue, green, and purple. And then let's look at our drills. I've never seen these. I've seen the stickers before, but I've never seen them with these, like with the little hooks on them. So I thought that would be a cute, useful item. Okay, so we have how many different colors here? We have 19 different colors, I'm sure, because all the owls are different colors. So let's look at all the colors we get. We get this kind of orangey color, a very light pink, a very light yellow, very pale yellow. There is a brown, clear, there's some black, some yellow, some dark purple, some light purple, some very dark purple. Ooh, that's a pretty light turquoise, some blue, some kind of very light greenish turquoise, a pink, you like a pale rose, a kind of a pale red, a green, a little bit darker green, and then a very pale kind of orange color. So lots of different colors in this. That's interesting. Let me see if I can fold this all back up so it goes back in the package. Ooh, it can go like this, and then it folds over. Okay, let me get this back in here. Because I just don't like to get those mixed up. before I either do them or send them out. So there are the little owls, and these were $8.99. So let me put all of this back in here so it doesn't get lost. Ooh, maybe that has to go in this way, then get folded over. Don't want to forget the instructions in case somebody needs those. I won't, but just in case. Okay, and then my last item here. I saw this one and I thought it was really pretty. Let me get this out of the bag here. Whoops. Okay. So this one is a 30 by 40, but I saw this one and I just thought it was really pretty. So it is kind of that same regular canvas we're used to. We've got our pretty standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We do get a couple of baggies. And then, not my favorite way to get drills in these little individual packages, but, and then we do have an inventory sheet. So let me set those aside and let me show you the canvas first. So it is this pretty little hummingbird. So it's got all these lovely kind of, I think they're like hibiscus flowers or something, but I just really like the colors of it. So it is nice and sticky. It is a round drill. It says 30 by 40, so let's measure and see. It is 25 by 35. So you do use a little bit. And then we've got 20 colors. We do have a schematic on both sides. We do have the DMC numbers on both, so that's good. So let's open this and see what our drills look like. If I can find the edge here. And we do have this inventory sheet in here. So we've got an inventory sheet. There you can see the image a little bit better. And we've got the number, the symbol of the drills, the DMC code, and then how many of each we need and how many bags of each we should have. I'm not going to inventory it here, but you do get the inventory sheet. So you get some kind of mauve colored, some light green. We get some kind of peachy mauve, some red, some bright green, some darker green, some pale blue, some darker red. We get some dark green, some very dark like hunter green, some kind of mint green, another kind of just regular green, an olive green, like a berry pink, some gray, some kind of turquoise color, some very dark brown, 3371, some more kind of rose colored, some off-white, and some red. So some pretty colors in this one, and no 310, which is always surprising. I'm always surprised when I get any kind of a realistic painting that doesn't have some 310 in it somewhere, so that's interesting. Okay, so there's the drills from that one. So, and this one was $5.99. So we've got the hummingbird, we've got the owls, we've got the craft knife, and then we've got our diamond painting pen. So I will, as always, put links in the description down below so you can check these items out for yourself. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, Thanks so much for watching.